Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a radiator on a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. First, ensure your engine is cool. Begin by safely draining all the old coolant from the system into a suitable container. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical issues. Then, carefully remove the upper radiator hose and the entire fan assembly to gain access. Now, let's continue by detaching the lower radiator hose. If your vehicle has an automatic transmission, you'll also need to disconnect the transmission cooler lines from the radiator. Be prepared for some fluid to escape. Carefully unclip any electrical wiring harnesses that are attached. Finally, locate and remove all the mounting bolts holding the radiator in its position. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation, all this wrenching can make you thirsty. Stay hydrated anywhere with an O-Ala water bottle. It's a game changer. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With all connections and bolts removed, you can now carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect your new radiator for any signs of damage from shipping. Before installation, transfer any components like mounting bushings or drain cocks from the old radiator to the new one, if applicable. Now, gently lower the new radiator into its proper position in the engine bay. Ensure it seats correctly in its lower mounts. Reconnect all the hoses, including the upper and lower radiator hoses and the transmission cooler lines. Don't forget to reattach any electrical connectors and wiring harnesses. Finally, secure the radiator by reinstalling all its mounting bolts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.